Hi, welcome back. Now what we do in this session is I want this clickable to be controlled by me. So I don't want this to be clickable at this point of time. Whenever it is active, it should be clickable. So please understand we have two forms. This is sign in. You can see on my HTML page. We have something called inside the HTML page, a form which is having a sign in, and we have a sign up box. So this is a sign up box which is holding create an account, and we have one more called sign in box. So sign in has got a design with sign in box, and we have sign up box which is holding create an account. So if you go to the design, this is sign up box and this is sign in box. I want to deactivate this link to the sign up box. So how exactly I can reach in my CSS is I will go and copy till the container, copy from here to here, and let's go and paste it, and I'm going to say sign up box. So please understand sign up box is something which is this one, not this one, right? So this one, what I will do is I'm going to say pointer events. Now before I show that, let's see, here this is still clickable. Okay, you can see the hand, but when I say this one as none, it will be deactivated. So let's go and refresh. Now if you see here, there's no way like I can click anything. It's kind of not able to clickable, but here this is sign in box. We are controlling sign up box. So this is deactivated and this is activated. The reason I'm doing this is because this entire photo should be going back of this one. For you to understand a better idea, I'm going to show the original layout of what we are going to do. So let's see the original layout. Now this is your original layout. Now when I click sign up, this is create an account. So this should go back to this. Now when I click this, now if you remember, this link is deactivated. See, the reason is when it is back of this, I don't want anything to be clickable, so that's why I'm deactivating it. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Now that we have deactivated and we have made this, now I want this box to be going back of this. So for this, what I will do is, now earlier only we have done this, so I'm just going up and we have to make this absolute, which will go back. Okay, absolute, and I want this overflow to be hidden. Now let's go and see this. It's all done. See, sign in is not yet activated, but when I have to click it, it should be activated. So let's do some design. See guys, what I want is I want this to be sliding now. You should see we have to slide it. Okay, so for that, what I will do is I'm going to come back. So we have two forms, sign in and sign up. So I will first go to the sign up box. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write session dot container dot sign up box dot form box. So we are targeting the container, which is a sign up box of a form box, the complete div which is holding the create an account. So I'm targeting sign up box, not sign in, right? This is a sign in box, but we are targeting sign up box. Now whenever I go to the sign up box, I'm going to tell from left, you should go 100%. Okay, now let's go and see it. This is your original design. So we have this 2 at the nearest, and I'm going to go and copy this, paste it here, and I'm going to put down here, whenever you are active dot active, I want you to go from left 0 pixel. 0, right? So let's go. It's not active yet, you will not be able to see it, but at some point you will be understanding that it should go this or that side. Okay, that was original layout. So later, now we want this photos to move. This is a photo, not the box. So if you see the HTML, we have sign up and the photo is here, which is img box. So I'm going to target that one. So this is sign up box, which is here. So I'm going to target this one from here to here, paste it. Now inside this sign up box, we have img box. So I'm targeting the photo and I'm going to say from left you should go minus 100%. Okay, and this one, whenever you are active, session.container dot, this is not active guys, I'm sorry, we are removing this is not active. And whenever you're active, and that to the signup box dot form box. Okay, so this should go left 0. Now we are not on an active state at this point, later you will understand, but if I show you, you will see that this is going left 0, but it's not yet active. We have to go for some JavaScript for it. So this is something we have done. Now what I will do is I'm going to copy the entire thing and we will hit here, and the same thing we have to make it reverse, but this time we are not doing on sign up box, we are doing on the sign in box. So this is sign in box. Okay, so let's go and do it something to the sign in box. So all I will do is I'm going to go and change all of this to the sign in. On my keyboard I will just hold Alt. Please hold Alt and just like this and make it sign in. That's it. Now that we have this sign in box and that too form box, what we'll do is we'll just make this the very first time it should be 0, as it should be, the sign in box should start from 0, and I'm going to make it this minus 100, that too with a percentage, and then we will make this one also 0. This is 0, and we will make this as 100% on active state. So let's go and make it. Now that we have done this, let's go to the design. There won't be any changes, but when I click this should slide this side like the original layout. Okay, so this should slide like this, but my layout is not yet sliding. So to do that we have to add JavaScript. So I have to use an event called onClick. So I will do that on the next video, but at this point of time I hope we have already said this. Now just to have the magic behind this, I'm going to go and show you the idea behind what exactly I'm doing as a minus 100. So for this I have to use some kind of hidden, this one, overflow. Let's hide this. Overflow hidden is not being hiding. So this is what, like, we have sent this one minus 100 and 100 like that. So but anything is overflowing, I'm just hiding. So it's like this. Now I want this to be sliding, the original layout. Okay, but the original one, this one is not sliding. The reason is when I click it, it's not sliding is because we didn't added JavaScript. So I have to use onClick. So for this we have to apply JavaScript. But at this point we have done till here. I will add JavaScript on the next video. Until then, bye bye.